Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Guys, since Mr. Email also come to give him, when you hear the indecent language, everything me I put on it, Mr. Email, you are so ungrateful. Who feel for you?
That I'm not for the master man.
Oh, okay. I just want to see who Mr. Email is. Ungrateful. I come to give him the key. Go down. Catch him. I'll just go and show him Mr. Email house. It is finished. This is the house. This is Mr. Email room that I make for him, and I get in pure cussing from him. But I not do it for him. I want you guys to see it finished and paint up. 3 persons that gave Mr. Email money took back their money, and this man cussing me. I can't even finish the floor. I want you guys to look in there, paint up. Solitex. Yeah, they know it's a madman. It wants Solitex in the scene and I'm not putting it. And when I'm auntie, I'm cousin send $100. Come and I take it to pay for the window. And the door, the window was 5,000 something. The door for 3,000 something and the lock for 1,000 something. This is Mr. Email house where I'm going to look at it comparing to where him was outside, guys. I was trying to get some linoleum to do this, to put on the flooring, but I'm not killing out myself and this ungrateful man. At least him not outside. If you want to hear my cuff, I say I collect a little money for him, I'm going to give, I'm going to get him money for him, but as the people them say I'm mad, somebody will take up a help, and I shouldn't help him. So see here, him can come in and live and just go and give him the key. So thanks for all who help to do the room for him. It is finished now. And paint up and everything. See there? I'm going to leave the key into it. If you want to pull it down, you can pull it down. You can do anything with it, but me finish with it. Not even a bed I would have looked sweet for him. The most ungratefullest person I ever deal with. When you see the start of the video, I'm a cuss. See there? At least him not outside.
Well, on the viewers and subscribers, and I really that's how it start from now. I want to see where it all start from. You see me? Yeah, I just want to cause this a part I really end. This is one of the ungrateful part. You see, because even from the starting, the lady kind of noticed that this man is, ungrateful somewhat. You see me? I say, yeah. But anyways, this lady is known as Donna. She goes around and she helps people. She do her best. You see me? And people say it, and from social media to even at the district, you can hear people saying that this is not the first time people show a form of ungrateful ways, even though she put out such an effort to help them. You get me? I said to you. So this is one of the man that you see right there. So we then say is ungrateful. You see me? Some people say I'm mad. Some people say, yo, I just saw him stay. We don't know what really be. You see me? So I'm gonna leave that part there for you to look at for yourself, because you can just see him right there. So in the first part of the video, you see. Now I'm gonna play the video where everything starts. I don't know. We have to give you the whole start and all this thing. You see me? I say, and make you have a look and an idea. Oh, Donna work when she do her thing. You see me? I say, but really and truly though, that's an ungrateful act. You see it? But anyways. See the thing here at the starting, exactly the starting when time the house here we build for this man and start build. Alright? Take a look and observe.
Come and check up on Mr. Email. Look one room structure. See the man here we build it at Bali. Show the people them your face that this is the carpenter. And we are going now, go look how far it reach. The floor, leave the door. And then over here so the wall part we did have. We are going to block it out with cement. As you can see how neat it is, and it's not finished yet. Right round. Zinc top. Zinc to apply. Right over here is the window. I'm going to buy louver. I pull it. See my window. I show you guys how I set up Mr. Ungrateful Email. And that are people that did that donate, a couple people that donated money to Mr. Email procedure. Take back their money after them see him gone. So me in a spot now where me need the flooring now. Where I need and some where something you going on top? Solitex. So I need Solitex. I have door. The door here when I buy today. I buy door unlocked today. So the door here. So it I go paint out, it I go smooth, the wall I go smooth off, the floor I go concrete. But I still need funds to finish because what you manage job for you? As you can see, some more work needs to be done. But I am inside Mr. Email room. One of his family member promised to donate $100 not get to receive it. And you know him are going to need beds to go in. And somebody said they have a bed but we are instead. I don't know how that's going to reach, but it is almost finished. One room dwelling for email. The man who cussed me off dog and said me have him money. I don't want to give him. Don't even know the struggles. One lady give me some money for him and the lady take it back. Another one take back for them. So they rather give it to them pitney more than help him. And me can't do nothing. Me this morning went to the hardware and spent $10,000. That one of my friend, if I ever talk, she give me $10,000 for and I take it and spend for Mr. Email. She vex and I talk make she hear. See there? I take it and by the door and the louver window this morning. So guys, this is Mr. Email house. I am doing my best. It needs to paint up and a lot of things has been done to it.
You see the kind of things that this lady do for people? You see what I'm talking about? I mean, look at that house at the time. You can see there is no flooring, did it? Right? Even hold it through the wall. It didn't even look like a house, did it? You see the thing? And this lady, right? See that this man is in need. You see me I say? Because as a human being, you know, you can't feel good if you see somebody that live certain condition, you know. It's like if I go bother your conscience. Well, some people still, because some people really, you know, not really consider for others, you see me? But that's another point still, you see? I just want to show you the effort that this lady put out to make sure this man is very well alright. You see what I say to you? And the gratitude that has been shown to this lady is not one that is appreciative. It's not good. You see what I say? What would you do, viewers and subscribers, what would you do if it was you that was in the situation that this lady is in? You see what I say? What would you say? Because some of the things that me hear social media said them would have doing, really and truly, I would not encourage them to do that. I mean, even if it hurts you, right? You have to look back on history itself. Like in the Bible time, you see me? It's good to be a good Samaritan. Like, you know, when, like, let me tell you this. A good Samaritan is respected because him can help you out at the exact point of needed time, you see me? But a man that is here to save you, like in a Christ, like, you know, in Christ now, we're talking about the New Testament now, is a whole different story. Because the time period when take to show you the right, and remember now, you can only bring, you can only teach somebody, but you can make them understand what is needed to be understood. You see me I say? So the same person you try to teach, to give them a certain understanding, you might be surprised that them look at it a different way, and then them look at you as a bad person. That's how life goes, you see me? But anyways, enough of that still. Some people really and truly think that this man have a mental problem, you see me I say? And them just say, yo, just lower my him that, you see? But me just want to say one thing to Donna, because Donna, you're doing a good work, you're helping out the community. You see me I say? You are one of the persons that you show the world that there are still a lot of good people out there, and it's not just you. We have to give thanks to the people that donate to, because through you, you know, the whole channel, you have to thank to the whole of all who donate, everybody and all these things. You see me I say? It shows that there's a lot of good people out there same way. You understand me? So don't render evil for evil. Don't stop the good work. Keep helping those who need the help and will be appreciative of it. Alright? But anyways, I don't know the thing already. Me only bring to what on social media. This one is helping this one is helping an ungrateful man. Yeah, so me see. You understand? I don't know the thing go already. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.